Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. Today we're going to show you how to remove a harmonic balancer from this 289. This procedure works with a lot of these Fords, almost any of these Fords, small block, big block, what have you. You got to get your big nut off of there. The impact gun works the best. Okay, the nut is now off. We're going to install, you have to have a pulley puller, such as this right here. So you can actually rent these from AutoZone. Has like a little attachment to go in here where the center bolt was, the crankshaft bolt. And you just kind of get that to where it's going, and you got to get some bolts here that are the same size as the pulley bolts. Those have to go in like so. So these bolts don't have to go in like a crazy amount, but they do have to go in enough to where it's gonna hold its threads. It's not gonna pull out. So, okay. So once that's on, you don't have to use an impact on this. You can, but you can also just kind of use a regular wrench. I think for demonstration purposes, I'll just use a wrench on this. So as you tighten this, it's gonna just pull. It's gonna pull this pulley off the crankshaft end. So, and most of the time it doesn't take a whole lot of force. So you can just kind of do it by hand, as you can see here. Kind of get your hand underneath it to catch it. Okay, and that is how you remove a harmonic balancer from these old Ford engines. This happens to be a 289 that we're working on, but again, the same procedure kind of applies to whether you're doing a 289, 302, 351, 390, 428, 429, 460. All of these old Ford engines can use that same procedure. So anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, help support us, and videos will keep coming, and we'll catch you next time.